What's going on YouTube? We are back with another video and today is going to be a good one. Now I'm super excited to go ahead and show you guys my first ever tutorial up on the channel. I just recently did a music video with Kelly Keys, G-Dub, and Res1. You guys can go ahead and check them out on Instagram, as well as a link to their YouTube channel will be in the description below. For that music video, I wanted to go ahead and make a little IG frame for a little story promotion, and it actually came out super sick. You guys can look at it real quick right here. I like the way it came out, super happy with it, and I definitely think if you guys are new to Photoshop and even consider yourself a beginner just like I consider myself, you guys can learn something super cool. I had a fun time doing this and I want to show you guys how to replicate it. The stuff that I learned this from Creative Ryan, watching one of his videos, so shout out to him for going ahead and making this video some years back. And now that the software and everything has changed a bit, I think it'd be cool to kind of make a little update. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get right to it. Alright, now that we're over here on the computer, we're gonna go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. I've already got the two clips that I want to go ahead and use up on the screen. So once we got our project open, we're gonna go ahead and just scrub for a point that we like. I already got it marked out which spots I want to use, so I'm just gonna go over to that keyframe. And then I'm going to go ahead and click over here, export frame. So what that's going to go ahead and do is that's going to go ahead and make a whole new screenshot for us to go ahead and use. I'll save that. And we got it checked on it so it can come back into the project once we got it done. Then I got another one over here. This one I want to go ahead and use. That's what we used in the IG frame, so I just want to keep it the same. Boom, now that we got both of them in here, we're gonna go ahead and open up Photoshop. Alright, so I already got a couple ones that I was already working on, so we're gonna go create new. And then for the size that we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do, we're gonna put, it's gonna be 1080 by 1920 vertical. So that's gonna be the full screen for iPhones, IG stories, all those type of things. So we're gonna create that. So as you guys can see, we got our 9 by 16 ratio. That's gonna be perfect for the stories, and it also leaves some room too on the top and bottom so you can crop in for like a full IG post too. So we're just gonna go ahead and hold on. Let me find the photos. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those in there. So I'm going to put the first photo in like this. I'm going to grab the second one. Alright, now we got them both in there. So what we want to go ahead and do is we want to go ahead and try to fill up this frame a little bit more. The whole idea is that we're going to have the music video playing in the background, or in between these two layers. So try to pick something where it's going to give you guys like some room. You guys can mess around with it. Looks good, kind of having it off-centered a bit. See how far down we have it. Alright, as far as we can have it. And we got this one stopping right there. It's actually perfect. So now that we got it like that, this is what we're going to go ahead and do next. So we're going to go over here to our eraser tool, and we're going to go ahead and click brushes, because we want to go ahead and do something that's a little bit cooler. So if you guys go ahead and you check, I got a lot of these brushes from a website called Brush Easy. You guys can go ahead and check that out. I'll actually link it in the description too. Okay, yeah, so first you got raster right there. Okay, so now that we got that, we just wanna get the size down to a good little spot. And then we can just check around, see what different brushes there is. This one's kinda cool, I like it. I'm just gonna break down a little bit. So I kind of like that whole little paint splatter look. So now that we got it like this, we can go ahead and switch back and open up the text tool. Now this is where I would go ahead and I would do who the artists are in here and go ahead and do that. Now you guys can go ahead and find, I recommend you guys going ahead and checking out a website called DaFont if you guys haven't been on there yet. But they have a bunch of cool fonts on there, and those are going to be what we're going to use in this tutorial. I've downloaded a cool bunch of them, and they transfer to all your Adobe apps, so it's all cool. And then yeah, we got it just like that. Super simple tutorial. Like I said, you guys can go ahead, get the fonts from dafont.com, get these different brush strokes. There's a ton of them. I barely just got a few. I just barely learned about this, so go ahead and check it out. And yeah, if you guys made it to this far into the video, if you guys learned anything or liked it, I'd appreciate you guys going ahead and showing some love on the video, giving it a like. Comment down if you guys want to see me make a tutorial on anything else. And yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.